Hey guys, we're doing fidget spinners part 2. Showing my fidget spinners. We did the last video, remember? Okay, so first we got number 12 is spider fidget spinner that Sage also gave me for Christmas. Okay, fidget spinner number 13 is United States of America. Spins pretty cool. I like the sound to it. You like the sound to it. And number 14 is just a regular black one. I gotta show you something. These ones are kind of similar, but the bearings of this one is blue and this one's just straight up black. The whole thing's black. Even the bearings are black. So number 15 is the metal bearings in it in blue. So it's not that heavy. But I gotta tell you something. This one's heavy right here. This one. That one's heavy. Okay. And the last fidget spinner I have is number 15, I think. No, number 16 is just a regular green one. I used to have a green one, but I lost it. Lost it. Okay, it spins like that. I left one of my fidget spinners at where I was celebrating an holiday with my grandparents. Okay, so that's all my fidget spinners. Bye.